Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to download Domino's pizza application. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have, and open it as so. So I'm on an Apple device, so this is an iPhone, so this is for iPhone users only. So now when you're in the App Store, in the bottom side of the screen, as you can see, we have the Today, Games, App, Arcade, and Search in the bottom right corner. When you click on the bottom right corner, click on the search button. There you will have, of course, search, where you can, of course, go and then type in Domino's Pizza. So just type in Domino's Pizza. Just a second. So just like this. Click, of course, search, and here we have, as you can see, Domino's Pizza. You can get, of course, click on here, and now when you click on there, you can click on get, wait for a few seconds, double click, and then the application will start downloading. Now here, of course, you can check out the rating, developer language of the application, and everything until it is open. Of course, see how much memory it takes, the size, and all those things. And now when it downloads, it will get an open button like this. Click the button, it will open like this, and you will now have, as you can see, Domino's Pizza application now on your phone. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, as always, bye guys.